To give you an idea, I'm over here at the Biloxi Visitor Center, this beautiful historic place. But right here, this is City of Biloxi high water mark. So this is how high the water was here. There's the beach way over there, just to give you an idea. And this plaque is dedicated to bring awareness to the surge in high water levels from Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Camille. Both storms brought about great devastation, loss of life in Mississippi Gulf Coast. Hurricane Katrina made landfall on the Gulf Coast August 29, 2005 at 10 a.m. And I remember that because we were getting 60-mile-an-hour winds in Pensacola. The storm surge level at this location was 22 feet above sea level. Waves reported 34 feet. There was approximately $125 billion of damage to the coast, 36 people dead, 67 missing. Camille made landfall August 17, 1969 at about 11:30 p.m. The storm surge level at this location was 19 feet, approximately $1.5 billion of damage, the coast leaving 131 dead, 41 missing. And the high water markers, red marker, Camille, blue marker. And that's just to give you an idea. For $1.5 billion in 1969 is crazy. And then here's some more right here, high water mark right here. So there's another idea. Crazy, man, the power of the fury. And the beach is still a good ways over there. Look at this big door. Wow. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. How are you? This way. Look at these freaking doors. And I imagine this was a house at one point. The Moran mural. Oh, George Orwell's grandson. Wow, that's funny. We were just over there. Did this. This was painted back in 1970. And that's massive, man. They must have carried this whole thing in. Oil on plaster painted. Wow. I'm over here at the Visitor Center. I want to show you all this right here. This is the Hurricane Katrina memorial glass display. This was everything that was found. And you can see a little bell there, a fire hat. Wow, man. Look at that little carriage right there. Katrina was just a freaking beast, man. Looks like an angel. That might have came off of a gravestone, maybe. Right there. Mississippi badge. Look at that, man. Wow. Oh, neat. Great to see this place, man. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at these doors, man. Wow. Look at that up there. That's crazy. Look at the stained glass. Wow, this is unbelievable. It's down that way.
Iconic significance. It was bruised and battered, but stood tall amid the.
Yeah, there's some more about Katrina right here.
Of the resilience of the residents of the Gulf Coast.
Look at that. That's the only thing standing.
City officials soon set about restoring the lighthouse.
Good deal.
Bringing in experts to conduct extensive
God, this is amazing.
to identify the bricks, mortar, and paint that were originally used. All new electrical wire was installed.
Kind of spooky down there. This is about the Apollo and the astronauts. Fred Wallace, Biloxi native. Awesome. God, this is just unbelievable. Irish Americans. Some more of the Air Force, because you got Keesler Air Force Base down here. Drinking water. This is Keesler Air Force Base. I was right. Look at this, man. This is really awesome. What a treat, man. What a treat to see this. Some more right here. This is just the development of Mississippi. That's what I love about the Gulf Coast. You get them thunderstorms over the Gulf. Yeah, you'll have to come by and see this, man. I'm not going to read everything. There's a nice collection of lighthouses. Pretty neat, man. And this is really cool. There's the Biloxi Lighthouse.
In its more than 160 years in service, the Biloxi Light has weathered nearly 40 hurricanes. In 1860, the storm surge
Lighthouse.
damaged the foundation of the lighthouse.
City of Biloxi.
Till 2 feet off its vertical axis. It was repaired by excavating some of the standing of the lighthouse and letting gravity do the work.
Goes around and around. Conference room. Look at that piece of furniture. Look at that. I tell you what, if this was somebody's house, why does the door look like it's upside down? You notice this? Fireplaces. What do you think, folks? Run some equipment up here? Look at this, man. This is nuts. Reminds me of the Bentley Hotel. You hear me there, Bo? I wonder if we can go out here. Let's see. Damn, look at this. It's a lighthouse. Look at these stairs. This is crazy, man. Look at this. This is the Biloxi Visitor Center. I'm sure this was a house at one time. If it was massive, man. Holy crap, dude, look at this. Ugh. Little spooky, maybe. Oh, man. Kid in a candy store, man. Wow. There's a theater right here. We'll check out the theater, but I want to see this. Wow.
As the seafood and timber industries boom, this quickly makes the cultures was joined by Greeks.
It's all the history right here. There's George Orr right there.
In the late 1970s, Vietnamese, a wide variety of traditions to the north of this varsity.
Let's go check out the stairs. Look at that. Look like I have an old theater right there. Look at this. That is so cool. I'm like kind of spooky over here. Stained glass around here is just amazing. Let's go find this theater. Let's go find this theater. Look at that. There's down here too. Ooh, getting vertigo. Vertigo. This is amazing. Postcards and stuff. These just must be some offices. Oh, hello, how are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Good, good. Just exploring. This place is amazing. The fact about this building here is Katrina, look at this. So Katrina completely wiped out this building. So this staircase that I'm on is everything's new. And I thought, I mean, man, I thought this place was historic, but it was completely destroyed. So this building is fairly new. And this grand staircase that I'm on right now, it's all been put back together. But they did an amazing job. Still looks historic. I mean, the stained glass and everything. So here's the theater, everybody.
Baseball, along with collegiate teams. A new Biloxi public library and numerous hotels welcoming guests to Biloxi. Historic preservation continues to
White House Hotel.
as developers
Yeah.
renovated the White House Hotel.
Haunted.
It's an establishment that
You better believe it's haunted.
was in the early 20th century.
2 nights there, everybody.
Destination point.
Pretty freaking cool.
6 million visitors come to Biloxi annually.
You guys got to come to Mississippi, man. I was just there today too. Freaking awesome.
Along Highway 90.
All right, everybody.
Restaurants
Cheers.
serve local seafood and highlight.
Yep, you're there. Haunted Biloxi Cemetery, haunted Gulf Coast, haunted South, and I'm gonna have to get me a haunted Mississippi. I think I saw it. Haunted Biloxi. Yeah, we'll get that too. Mississippi. Here we are. A little bit of history for you. Elvis Presley. This custom suede leather jacket with red was worn by Elvis Presley in 1969. Pretty freaking cool, right? But wait, there's more. Bo Diddley, the late great Bo Diddley, is known for his custom square-bodied guitars. His particular rhythm the axe was built for. Well, I'd like to plug that in and play that thing. Look at that. Charlie Rich. Look at this. Yep, early 70s. It's a pretty sweater. All right. And I figured it's on loan from the Hard Rock Cafe. Pretty neat.